Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and I'm making a video on my thoughts on this new operating system that was leaked just yesterday called Windows 11. And as you can see, there's already quite a few interesting differences with Windows 11 compared to 10, that being the logo and a bunch of the icons. And also, one difference that I'm not really a fan of is where the taskbar is centered, pretty much, and where the Windows start menu is, and how it looks like. It feels a lot more like Chrome OS or some Linux distros than Windows itself, and well, to an extent, it feels kind of like Mac OS, although I would say it's more similar to Chrome OS and a Linux distro than Mac OS. But yeah, I'm not really the biggest fan of it. And you can actually move the start menu back to the left of the screen if you activate Windows, which means you have to buy it. And I'm not going to do that. They also include uninstalled versions of basically bloatware that if you press on it, it'll start to install. And they also changed, like I said, a lot of logos on icons. So Notepad and Paint are basically the same applications, but their icons are changed. And you can see the recycle bin is now in 2D instead of 3D. And they changed the background screens. And you can actually right-click and open Windows Terminal, which is a new thing. And that's pretty cool. What else do I have to say? They also changed quite a bit in File Manager. They changed basically the icons and what they look like, and it's all colored now instead of just the normal File Manager. And this honestly is basically Windows 10X with a few differences. So yeah. And 10X is basically 10 but looks like Chrome OS, which is basically what Windows 11 is. And as you can see, opening Task Manager, they also changed the icon for Task Manager, and they also changed basically like the scroll bar and animations. Like they actually kind of look cool now. Well, I mean, they're cooler, and you can actually hover on this maximize screen, or not minimize, but make it smaller button, and you can actually get the options to place where you want it to go. So, want it to go to the left of the screen, or to the right of the screen and the left of the screen, or right bottom. You can do that, and you also get the option of choosing whatever other application you want to have opened. And yeah, that's pretty cool. That might make multitasking that much easier. Also, they changed the sounds, so see, that's kind of not working because I don't have sound on all the way. And as you can see, it's kind of ear rapey because for some reason my speakers aren't really the biggest fan of Windows 11. So, yeah. Okay, done with that. I'm going to go to Control Panel and just basically open it up. They still have it. It also changed the icons here, although it's not as much of a change. Kind of still is. It's more quote-unquote modernized. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And like I said, the animations are changed. So yeah, this is interesting at least, and I don't think I'm going to be using Windows 11 anytime soon, even though Windows 10 is not going to be supported in 2025 anymore, which is kind of a surprise. Um, but yeah, and you can see it comes with Microsoft Edge as usual, and what else? I mean, I would imagine there's more applications than this on Windows. Maybe not. All apps, yeah, there is. I did not see that. And as you can see, I had to sign into a Microsoft account, so I made my own separate Microsoft account, which is Windows 11 sucks. Because I had to make an account and I wasn't really thrilled. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, just to place stuff in different places now. Oh wow, no wonder it's so slow. I'm only using one core on my processor. I didn't check that. So yeah, that is kind of the reason it's kind of slow. Of course, a modern operating system is not going to do that well on one core and one thread. Um, Surprisingly better than I expected, but still not that great. Actually, I'm going to see how web browsing is on one core and typing one-handed. Surprisingly, it's somewhat usable for web browsing with one core. I'm going to stop going off topic. But yeah, this is interesting. Anyway, I think that's about it for this video. This is just my first impressions on Windows 11. I'm not going to be using this operating system. I don't really like it that much. I just find it interesting to play around with. Um, but yeah, I'm going to end the video here. If you like this video, you can like it. If you don't like it, you can dislike it. If you want to subscribe for more, you can subscribe for more. I'm thankful for any new subscribers, and thanks for watching, and bye.